An AI can answer in one smooth sentence, sound completely certain, and still be wrong. So here's the real question. Can it detect its own mistake? Not the way a person feels doubt. A language model does not pause and experience uncertainty. It produces possible continuations, each with a numerical score. Those scores answer a narrow question. Which next token fits this context? A likely token is not automatically a true claim about the world. That is why fluency can mislead us. The model may build a confident sentence one locally probable word at a time, even when the final answer is false. Still, internal scores contain useful signals. We can turn them into a confidence estimate, not proof of correctness, but a forecast of how often similar answers succeed. A forecast is trustworthy only when it is calibrated. If a model says 80% across 10 comparable questions, about 8 answers should be correct. Suppose only 5 are correct. The model may rank easy questions above hard ones, yet its confidence scale is still overconfident. Plot claimed confidence against actual accuracy. Perfect calibration lies on a diagonal. A curve below it means the model sounds surer than reality allows. Calibration can be repaired on held-out examples. Temperature scaling, for instance, can soften or sharpen probabilities without changing which answer wins. But the repair is local. Move into a new domain, a new language, or unfamiliar data, and a once reliable confidence scale can drift again. One approach is self-evaluation. First, the model answers, then it estimates the probability that its proposed answer is true. This can reveal uncertainty the answer alone hides. Models can also be trained to express that estimate in words: low confidence, high confidence, or a percentage. The phrase is useful only if outcomes calibrate it. Another method asks the model several times. If independent samples converge on one answer, uncertainty may be lower. If they scatter, risk rises. But wording is deceptive. Paris and the capital of France is Paris are different strings with the same meaning. Counting strings would exaggerate disagreement. Semantic uncertainty groups answers by meaning before measuring the spread. One tight meaning cluster suggests stability. Competing meanings reveal a deeper uncertainty. External evidence adds another signal. If retrieved documents actually contain enough information, confidence can rise. If crucial support is missing, the system should hesitate. A verifier can test the answer against a calculator, compiler, database, or source. The original model's confidence becomes only one witness, not the verdict. Multiple models can disagree too. An ensemble compares independent predictions. Agreement is evidence, but shared training can also create shared blind spots. Hard questions can be decomposed. Check each claim, each step, and each source separately. A single uncertainty score becomes a map of where failure might enter. Combine these signals: self-evaluation, semantic agreement, evidence, and verification. What emerges is a risk estimate. That is engineering, not self-awareness. The estimate becomes useful when it controls an action. Above one threshold, answer below it. Search, ask for help, or say I do not know. This is selective prediction. Raising the threshold improves accuracy on the answers we keep but reduces coverage because the system refuses more questions. Uncertain cases can be routed. A small model handles routine work. A larger model, tool, or human receives the difficult tail. Conformal prediction goes further. Instead of one fragile answer, it can return a calibrated set designed to contain at least one good candidate at a chosen rate, understated assumptions. The objective matters. If every abstention scores 0 and every lucky guess can score 1, training rewards confident guessing, honest uncertainty needs a reward too. Even then, unknown unknowns remain. A model, its samples, and its verifier may all share the same missing fact or faulty assumption. Prompts can also change confidence without changing truth. Familiar wording, persuasive context, or repeated claims may make the system sound certain for the wrong reason. So high-stakes use needs more than a confidence number. It needs evidence, calibrated thresholds, independent checks, and a safe path to abstain. Use this mental model. Uncertainty is an error bar, not an inner alarm. It measures expected risk around an answer. It does not confess a known mistake. Can AI know when it is wrong? Sometimes it can predict that it may be wrong, but reliability comes from calibration, verification, and the freedom not to answer.